Everyone doing, this is Tino. Thank you for watching this video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the verb have. As we know, the verb have means tener, okay, for possessive, but have also can be used as eat or drink. For example, what did you have for breakfast this morning? What did you have for breakfast this morning? I had past. I had scrambled eggs. I had scrambled eggs. Okay. What are you going to have for lunch? What are you going to have for lunch? I'm going to have, or I'm gonna have, okay, chicken. Okay, I'm gonna have chicken. Okay, so once again, it means eat. Now imagine that you went to a party last night and you drank alcohol. So I ask you today, how many beers did you have last night? So how many beers did you drink last night? But usually native speakers, they use have over drink. Okay, so how many beers did you have last night? I had just a couple, un par, just two. Okay, now if you want to invite someone to take a seat, you can say have a seat. Have a seat is better or more polite than take a seat. Okay, so welcome to my office, and well, have a seat. Okay, let's talk. Okay, so on and so forth, so on and so forth, etc., etc. Okay, so I hope you like these videos, and I hope these videos help you. And if they do, guys, please share these videos with your friends. Okay, my name is Tino. Thank you so much once again for watching and subscribing and following me. Okay, bye bye.